Imagine sleeping soundly when a sharp, searing pain suddenly strikes your calf like a knife. It is a nightmare that many seniors know all too well at night. This sudden, involuntary contraction of the muscle is more than just a nuisance. It is a moment of pure, blinding discomfort that disrupts your precious rest. Inside your body, the muscle fibers are locking up, signaling a deeper imbalance. This graphic shows the intense tension occurring right under your skin during a cramp. These spasms are often your body's desperate cry for help, a signal that your internal water source and essential minerals have finally run dangerously low. Hello there. I am here to help you understand why this happens. Tonight, I will share 8 secrets to help your legs feel light and peaceful again. We will explore how simple changes in what you drink and eat can provide the relief you have been searching for, ensuring a full night of sleep. By listening to these signals, we can restore balance. Let us dive into the solutions that will help you say goodbye to those midnight muscle terrors. Why do these cramps become more frequent as we age? It is not just bad luck. It is about how our biology changes over the passing years. Our ability to retain moisture and minerals decreases. We will count down from 8 to 1 to discover the ultimate saviors for your hard-working muscles. Understanding the why is the first step toward the how. Your body simply needs a different kind of support now than it did in your youth. The truth about aging is that our thirst mechanism weakens. By the time you feel thirsty, your muscles may already be starving for essential hydration. This decrease in water volume makes our electrolyte balance much more fragile. Even a small dip in minerals can trigger a painful, long-lasting cramp. But do not worry. Nature provides everything we need. Let us start our list with the foundations found right in your local grocery store or garden. Meet my friend John, who is 68 years old. He loves his morning walks, but used to dread the cramps that followed every single afternoon. Number 8 is coconut water. John switched from sugary sports drinks to this natural miracle, which is packed with more potassium than most fruits. Potassium is vital for sending electrical signals to your muscles. Without it, your muscles get confused and contract when they should be resting peacefully. Now, John walks miles without a single worry. This natural electrolyte source keeps his muscles hydrated and his nerves calm throughout the entire day. Number 7 is magnesium. I call it the nerve savior. Many of us are deficient in this mineral, which acts as a natural muscle relaxant. Magnesium helps the calcium in your body move in and out of cells correctly. This prevents the overfiring of nerves that causes those painful spasms. Just a handful of nuts or a serving of spinach can make a massive difference. It is a simple, delicious way to protect your leg muscles. Your nervous system will thank you. When your magnesium levels are steady, your muscles can relax fully, especially during those long hours of sleep. Coming in at number 6 is watermelon. It is not just a summer treat. It is over 90% water and contains L-citrulline for recovery. Watermelon juice provides immediate hydration and helps flush out metabolic waste from your muscles. It is nature's own recovery drink for active seniors. It tastes like a dessert, but works like a medicine. Try a glass after a long day of standing or walking to keep cramps away. This is Evelyn, 72 years old. She almost gave up her beloved gardening because her legs would cramp up every time she knelt down. Number 5 is calcium from fermented foods. Evelyn started having a bowl of yogurt every morning, and the change in her mobility was remarkable. Calcium is not just for strong bones. It is the primary trigger that tells your muscles when to contract, and more importantly, when to release. By choosing fermented options like yogurt or kefir, you also improve your gut health, which helps your body absorb all those vital minerals more efficiently. Now, Evelyn can spend hours among her roses. Her muscles have the calcium fuel they need to work smoothly without seizing up unexpectedly. Number 4 is a traditional remedy, bone broth. This golden liquid is a concentrated source of deep minerals that are easily absorbed by the body. It contains sodium, potassium, and magnesium in a perfect natural balance. It is like a warm hug for your dehydrated muscle tissues. Sipping on bone broth during dinner is a fantastic way to prepare your body for a long, cramp-free night of deep and restorative sleep. These minerals act as electrolytes, maintaining the fluid balance inside and outside your cells. This is the secret to keeping muscle tension at bay. It is simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Let this ancient wisdom be your modern shield against those painful leg contractions every single night. Entering the top 3, we have the power duo, bananas and avocados. These are the heavy hitters when it comes to potassium and healthy fats. While bananas are famous for potassium, avocados actually contain even more. Together, they provide the long-lasting energy and mineral support your legs need. A daily dose of these 2 fruits ensures that your potassium levels never dip into the danger zone that triggers those sudden, sharp cramps. They are the perfect portable snacks. Keep them in your kitchen as your first line of defense against muscle discomfort throughout the day. At number 2 is the targeted solution, electrolyte drinks. Sometimes, water alone isn't enough if your mineral stores are completely depleted from activity. These specialized solutions are designed to match your body's chemistry perfectly. They replenish what you lose through sweat and daily metabolic processes. Look for sugar-free options to keep your blood sugar stable while giving your muscles the electrical charge they need to function without seizing. Using an electrolyte mix before or after exercise can stop a cramp before it even starts. It is a proactive way to manage your health. When your electrolytes are in balance, your body feels like a well-oiled machine. The chatter in your nerves stops and your muscles relax. This is a golden tool for any senior. It is fast-acting and specifically designed to address the root cause of muscle cramps effectively. And finally, our number 1 champion, proactive hydration. This isn't just about drinking. It is about how and when you drink water. The secret is to never wait until you are thirsty. If you feel thirst, your muscles are already in a state of dehydration and stress. Using a bottle with time markers reminds you to take small, frequent sips throughout the day. This keeps your hydration levels consistent and steady. Consistency is the key to preventing nighttime cramps. By drinking enough during the day, you ensure your muscles have a reservoir to draw from. Every sip is a step toward a more flexible, pain-free life. Make this simple habit your priority, and you will see the results immediately. We cannot stop the clock, but we can certainly choose how we care for ourselves. Every small change you make today builds a better tomorrow. Please, always listen to your body. It knows what it needs. If you experience persistent pain, always reach out to a healthcare professional. Your journey to wellness is unique. These 8 tips are tools for your belt, helping you reclaim your nights and your active daily life. Remember, if you have heart or kidney conditions, consult your doctor before changing your mineral intake. Safety and professional guidance always come first. We want you to thrive, and that means being smart about your health. Use these tips as a foundation for a dialogue with your physician. Age is just a number, not a limit. When we fuel our bodies correctly, we maintain the freedom to move, dance, and play with joy. Start your hydration journey today. Your legs will be lighter, your sleep will be deeper, and your days will be brighter than ever before. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Let's live well and stay flexible together every single day.